Hi. Hi, Hiram. What are you looking at? But why are you sticking your tongue out at me? Huh? What have you been doing today, Hiram? Hiram, tell me. What have you been doing today? Huh? Huh? How was your day? You don't have to get that close. Really? Did you spend it with Daddy? Did you have fun with Daddy today? Did you have fun with Daddy today? Huh, Hiram? Did you have fun with Daddy? Huh? Did you have fun with Daddy? What about Mama? Did you have fun with Mama? Okay, bye-bye.